Dun, 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 dun.
Wait,
Dun, 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 dun.
who's that?
Dun, dun, dun. Zeze, duh. Hey y'all, it's your girl Zeze. Duh, you already know what's going on. Back at it again with another video. Trying to stay real consistent in 2020. Leave a comment down below what you're trying to stay consistent with. Me, I'm obviously trying to stay consistent with the YouTube videos. Quarantine giving us a lot of time. I mean, I've dropped like 3 videos in the last week or so. I think I'm doing it, okay? I just gotta stick with it. Leave a comment down below. Leave a like. Smash the subscribe button. You know what's going on. Join the family. And if you're interested in seeing how I create this look, then keep on watching. Hey y'all, so first things first, my eyes already prepped and primed with my P. Louise base shade 2. The palette I'm going to be focusing out of today is the Morphe 35 Eye Icy Fantasy palette, and I'm going to take that yellow, like that pastel yellow color, Wishful, and my Morphe M456, and just packing that on into the crease, into the first third. Next, I'm going to be taking my Morphe Jaclyn Hill brush, the JH33, and taking that mint color Chill Thrill and packing that on to the center of the crease. Now I'm just going back in with Wishful and tapping that onto the inner third again of the crease, just to make sure I didn't lose any of that yellow color when I put on the mint. Taking my AOA E136 brush and that blue color into the blue and packing that on the outer third of the crease. So I almost forgot to put the tape on the outer corner of my eye. So I just got some regular Scotch tape. I think I got mine from the dollar store for real. And I'm just going to put that on the outer corner so that way when I put on this blue, it stays exactly where I want it to go. It just makes the whole process a lot easier and makes the wings look a lot cleaner. Now I'm going to go ahead and cut the crease. I'm using my P. Louise base shade 2 and a flat concealer brush. I'm just trying to make sure I have a good angle for you guys. And I want to cut the crease just slightly bigger than my regular crease because like my eyes are hooded. So on this part, the cut doesn't have to be so perfect because we are going to go back in and put that pink eyeliner where the pastel meets the shimmer that we're putting on. You want to make sure that it's rounded where the eyelid is, and then as you get to the end of the actual eyelid and you start getting closer to the edge of the eyebrow, you want to come down a little bit, and so it kind of has like that wing shape. And remember, because we put that tape there, you can just fill in that whole spot. Like, you don't have to be super careful. There's not going to be a whole lot of cleanup or anything because that tape's already there. It's protecting anything on the edges. I'm going in with my Morphe Jaclyn Hill brush, the JH48, and taking that color Brilliant. It's like a shimmery white color, and just placing this everywhere that we just cut the crease. So now I'm just taking this liquid eyeliner from NYX, from the Vivid Brights collection. This is the shade Vivid Petal. So it's just like a really cute pastel pink, and I'm putting this right on top of where we cut the crease. So this part is gonna help if your crease isn't super cut. This is gonna help clean it up. So now you can just go ahead and peel that tape off. As I'm watching myself do this, that looks so satisfying. Like, look how clean that line is. Yes. So taking some liquid liner, and because the tape was there, we already have that clean, exaggerated wing. Applying the wing liner is going to be super easy. You just basically follow the line that you already made, but just be mindful to not cover up all of the shimmer that we just put down, because it really isn't that much space. Now, because the shadow was so shimmery, when I applied the liquid eyeliner on top, the shimmer kind of mixed with it and I could kind of see it. So I just waited for it to dry a little bit and just applied a little bit more on top so that it was more solid. So now we're done with that part of the eye. It's time to put these lashes on. These lashes are my lashes. You can get them on Instagram at shopmulanish. These are the style Bad Gal. I'm like, okay, girl, look at you. Period. Okay, you look good. All right, I'm gonna do my face off camera, and I'll be right back. So now that is done, I'm just going to go ahead and apply the same colors that we put into the crease on the lower lid. And the first one I'm going in with is Into the Blue with the same brush as before, and just applying this on the outer corner of the lower lid. Okay, now going back in with Chill Thrill, applying this to the center of the lower lid. Now I'm taking Wishful and applying this to the first third of the lower lid. Now I'm just going back in with Chill Thrill to pack that onto the middle just in case I lost any from applying the yellow. Now I'm just clean blending brush and just dusting underneath of all those colors to make sure they're all blended together and that there's also no harsh line. But because these are pastel colors, you don't really need a transition color because they are so light. Now I'm just a bit of mascara to the bottom lashes. You know, I be telling y'all, you can't be having your lashes look ashy. That's what mascara is for. Now I'm just taking my favorite blush and my Morphe M530 and just applying this right on top of where I put my bronzer, you know, same deal. And I really should probably get another blush because as y'all can see, I really be using this one. And I don't really use a bunch of different blushes. I think I probably have maybe like 5 of them. But yeah, so I need to re-up on the blush. I'm using my Cover FX setting spray. Now I'm going in with some highlighter. I'm using the Fenty Beauty Water Brat. Y'all notice my favorite one by now. Y'all should know. And I'm taking my Morphe M510 and it's applying this to my cheekbones. Then I'm going to go in with a dense crease brush and apply it to the tip of my nose and the center of my nose. And you want to pack the highlighter onto the inner corner and underneath of the eyebrow. I mean, you don't have to pack it underneath the eyebrow, but just make sure you're putting some underneath the eyebrow. That's the finished look. All I did was go ahead and add a lip. I used the Morphe lip liner Sugar Pie and the ColourPop liquid lipstick in the color Times Square. And thank you so much for watching, guys. If you made it this far, leave a thumbs up down below. And I'll see you guys next time. Love you. Bye.